Reverse Osmosis Membrane. Fujian HUAMO Environmental Protection Company Limited specialize in producing reverse osmosis membrane. We are committed to innovation, research and development, and now we produce a variety of membrane types like seawater membrane, anti-fouling membrane, nanofiltration membrane, brackish water membrane, etc. HUAMO has a huge production capacity to meet large orders. We have installed 2 completely automatic and 9 semi-automatic production lines. Our annual output of 200,000 pieces of 4-inch elements and 100,000 pieces of 8-inch elements. With great strength, advanced innovation from our team of experts, and enterprise management foundation, HUAMO steadily moves forward, keeps improving, constantly improves the core technology and system design ability of membrane manufacturing, and expands the application scenario of membrane. HUAMO developed 6-inch reverse osmosis membrane with the characteristics of large flux, high desalination rate, excellent performance, which fill the gap at home and abroad. Meeting the varying requirements of our customers, personalized, comprehensive solutions are provided to achieve accurate and efficient service, to protect the clear water and green mountains. Unwavering pursuit of excellence in the membrane industry.